she's still slapping hard, man. Next thing I'm going to work on is figuring something out with the shocks. I don't know if I'm going to upgrade to a whole different shock set or figure something out with these and heavy fluid. I already put heavier fluid in. It just doesn't seem to make a huge difference. Whoa! Blow up. This is how RC accidents happen, everybody. Trying to get that shot for everybody out there. Hope you guys appreciate it. Remember, hit that like button and subscribe. Alright, that's it, everybody. The battery's dying there. I hope you like it. Comment below. Remember, hit that like button, show that support, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for watching RC Brucey.